guys, and welcome back to another swimsuit haul featuring Rotita. So I hope you guys enjoyed the last one, but you're gonna definitely also enjoy this one because the swimsuits that I have to show you are actually some of my favorites from Rotita, and I love how they complement my skin tone. I love the patterns. I love the vibrancy of the colors. Sometimes swimsuits can play a little shy when it comes to that, and then the quality, you guys. Let's get right into this. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so for the first one here, we have this leopard and black print. I absolutely love this. First of all, I love leopard anything because cheetah girls, I'm a cheetah sister forever. I absolutely love how simple this one is in the back, but you got a party in the front, all the crisscross and straps. And listen, this one is super duper sexy. This one's more like poolside to me. It's not really like a beach kind of swimsuit, but the poolside. And I just love the strappiness of this one, and then the contrast with the black and the leopard print. Chef's kiss. This next one actually stole my heart. Like, I saw this, I just fell in love with this one. Like, as soon as I saw it on their site, I was like, oh yeah, that one. Because one, I love camouflage. Like, camouflage just takes me back to like the early 2000s when everyone was wearing camouflage, and I was definitely one of the first. But anywho, I was really lit. But I swear I was always ahead of the trends when it comes to these kinds of things. Anywho, I love that this one is shorts. This is like my only shorts one. No, I had some shorts one from Rotita before, but for like the conservative, a little bit more of the conservative girlies that, you know, don't want the cheeks to hang out at all. Like, these shorts are super duper cute. And who thought of matching like the orange? The orange is just that extra pop. And you guys, as I said in my last video, orange and me lately have been like made for each other. So I really love how like simple but classic this one is, and the pattern of it just is definitely gonna make you stand out at the beach or the pool or anything like that. So I love this one. This is like one of my top favorites from Rotita ever. Huge statement. So this next one is another, for me, I feel like it's like kind of Mickey Mouse like inspired, and I love it. The polka dots and the red, yes, I love it. These remind me, like the bottoms of these remind me of some shorts that I used to wear that were actually like red too and had these buttons on the side. I just love that simple, very just, it's like a simple detail, but it adds so much, right? Because it's scrunched and it looks like, ooh, that's a cute bathing suit. Like, it just catches your attention. And then the top of this one is actually one of my favorites as well. The kind of like stringy in between the boob action is awesome. Like, the rest of it is plain, but that one little detail besides the polka dot just make it stand out so much more. So I really love this one, and I'm just loving the pop of red and the polka dots. Love it. So this next one, I love the color of this one. This burgundy color is very like, I don't know, I just love it. I love how simple this one is as well. This one could go really nice under a cute cover up or something. And for the simple girlies that don't like all the patterns and everything, Rotita definitely did their thing with this one because it has a simple crisscross in the back, but everything else is super duper simple. And the high-waisted bottoms, which I actually haven't talked about, but their high-waisted bottoms are perfect for that little extra pouch if you want to just, you know, suck it right in. This is perfect. So I love the color of this one, and I love everything about this one, the quality and all. So this next one is super duper bright, but I love it. I love the skirt detail. This is one of my favorite details of some of the bottoms that Rotita has, is like this little skirt detail, the mesh material, and I love the flowers on this. It's like given Hawaii. And yeah, I just really love the slit, and the top is really simple, but it's still, you know, the bottom is what kind of makes up for the simplicity of the top. So I love that cute little detail from that one. And this one is actually really similar to the burgundy top, but you know, it has the bottoms that actually make this one pop. This next one is super duper cute. I love all the detail this one has. This one has everything. The plaid, I love the colors of the plaid, red, white, and blue. And I just love the scrunch detail on the side, the little twist on the top, and I love that this one is extra padded too. So this one, I just really love how this one pops. This one pops in all angles and all ways, from the color to the details of the material and everything like that. And it is still high-waisted, so this one is super duper bomb for like 4th of July or just anything like that. Like, this one is super duper cute. And last but not least, we have this beautiful royal blue. This is probably as simple as it gets, but of course it still has a little like skirt detail for the bottoms and the little slit on the side. But the vibrancy of this blue is just gorgeous. I love how just simple the top is, no crisscrosses or anything, but it's still just, I think for this one is like really the color that makes this one pop, and obviously it's like my favorite color. So I love this one, and this one will look really cute anywhere. And along with that one, I just want to show you guys this beautiful cover up. This one has a lot of detail. It's actually the most detailed cover up I probably have from Rotita, but it gives that little like calm summer vibe with all the lace, and I love that it has all the lace in the front, and then in the back is like a little bit more simple. But the sleeves of this one, like, this is such a cute little cover up. Like, all the details this one have, I think this would look really great with like a very just basic swimsuit underneath, maybe the burgundy one. The blue one was fine, which is what I modeled it with, but the skirt kind of could distract from it. But I love this cover up, and it's really lightweight but cute and detailed. So that is it for this swimsuit try on haul. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. I would have to say the camouflage orange one is probably like my favorite one from this group. I love how all of these fit, and these are just like, the quality is amazing, the style is amazing, it's really trendy, really poppy, the color detail, the color payoff on these are beautiful. I've had Rotita swimsuits for like since last year, and they still just work really well. I love the padding on them. I just love everything about Rotita swimsuits. Like, we are one. I feel like they fit me the best. I feel like they're just perfect. So all the details will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this swimsuit haul, and I hope you guys are ready for summer, because obviously I am with all these swimsuits. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!